All right, we're going to go in to talk about the reports for a little bit in here. So we do have the report center where we can look at any of the different reports. The all down here is the predefined, the reports that come standard, and then if you've had any customization of reports in here, you can duplicate a report. So I can take the sales by rep summary and create a copy of it and then go in and modify it and save it to what I want it to be. I can add a new report from here, edit an existing report, delete, or I can also refresh this list. Now, when I go into a report, so like let's go into sales by item detail report, I can double click on the report. We do have some customization that is available in here. Some fields are not editable because it is a default report. You'd have to customize it. Notice that we do have the reset grid layout. So if you go in and mess with this report, you can change it up in here. You can say what category and, of course, what company it's under. And then we have the data and columns and filters as well. Should you want to save them? No. We have the customized columns up here, so I can go in and choose which columns, right, that I want to see. You can also drag and drop columns around. On this one, I already have it showing. We can export this, so make a copy, or we can download it to an Excel file. So I hit the Excel, and now the CX sales by item detail report can start up here in Excel. Then the next thing, you can come in, you can choose the different dates. So it defaults to this week. I can go to all, right, to show from all time. I can go into the future. I can hit refresh on the report. So if I have the report up here on the screen and people are doing things behind the scenes, it's, it's sitting here idle. It's not going to live refresh. So you do have to hit refresh report because it is, the nature of the beast here. Again, we did talk about, so right now what it has is it has item type and item. Those are the two different kind of sub, right, how we are subtotaling our rows. So it's saying first I have by item type and then I have by item. If I wanted to flip that for whatever reason, I can. I just move item over here and item type. I can flip the order. I can filter by on here. So very cool. Let's say I wanted to do an additional and I said I don't want to do by item type. I wanted to do by customer. I could go in here and take customer in as well, right? So I just grab the column, move it up. I wanted to subtotal by class. I could go ahead and subtotal by class in here as well. And then when we've really messed it up so much, we can go back to that reset and the data layout is reset to the original report. Okay, so dragging and dropping columns up there is really powerful. Of course, we do have the filter. So when you click on filter, you can search by and select multiples in here. So I could say like from advertisement and see what shows up. And then, of course, again, I can drop that down into Excel if I need. One thing that I missed was going through in the format up here. I can choose to hide the header, kind of this white space, right? This white space can be quite annoying. Let me get rid of the filter real quick. Okay, select all. So you can see it. So the white space can be quite annoying, so we can say hide the header on here if you don't need to see that. If you want to collapse the rows down, you have the ability to mass collapse the rows and then just expand the ones that you want to see. You do also have the ability to show grid lines, so it looks more like an Excel spreadsheet in here, just a better look and feel. And then we also have alternate row style, so you can kind of see what that looks like down below when there's multiple rows. So white, gray, just makes it a little bit more distinguishable and easy to read when you're looking at these kinds of reports. So really neat formatting opportunities up there as well. Pretty self-explanatory. Again, if you have any feedback, always give us some feedback up top here. You do, from these reports, right, they don't have a drill down right now, but that is something that is going to be coming here shortly. Okay, so really neat ways to be able to format reports in product.